morning. Welcome to day 7 of our renovations, doing up our house, making everything look good and nice again. I hope you're doing good. I'm just putting this tablecloth on another tablecloth. I thought I'll just have a pop of green and see how it goes with the cupboards in the kitchen. And I thought, oh, I'll just leave the other tablecloth on. As you do. So today, I think he's going to finish the floor in the sunroom. And I really don't know what else. Bathroom stalled. Yeah. Oh, creaky floorboards. I'll have to let you know. Most of the painting in the areas that he's done already is done. I know they're doing, can't speak properly. I know they're going to do some ceilings tomorrow because we decided that Thursday would be a good day to do some ceilings. But yeah, I'll have to get back to you on that. By the way, I got up a bit late this morning, and because they come at 8, I have to be ready because my biggest nightmare is to still be in bed accidentally fast asleep when they arrive. So yeah, it's a bit of a late start for me this morning. As for the tablecloth matching, it matches perfectly. I love it. So here's the floor. We've ascertained that it will take days and days and days to get the white out. So we're going to paint it, and maybe that's not the only problem with it. It just really makes more sense to paint it. So it's the end of day 7, and we have a toilet back in the ensuite because someone might have been moaning about not having the toilet in here for a long time until we get the lino done. I don't know who that could have been. So they've just kindly put it back. It will come out again when the lino goes down. But guys, oh yeah, and I think there's been another coat of paint because look, there's paint over there. And we have a shower door. That's exciting. Shivers. Oh, I can't get it back. Oh, what have I done? Oh, he probably didn't want me to touch it. Oh no. Oh, okay, I'm gonna leave it. I broke it, sort of. Oops. So this is the sunroom, guys. I didn't even realise I'd done a primer coat. How exciting. So they've painted, oh, you can't even see properly because of the light, all around along there and up above this door. How exciting. Wow. I can't wait to show you the colour that I chose tomorrow. The floors were just like so bad, it just had to be painted, unfortunately. We did want to, when I say floors I mean floor, we did want to just try and put polyurethane over them, but in the end we just had to go with the fact that, as we talked about before, that they would have taken days and days and days to sand properly, and it just wasn't worth the cost, like literally days. So anyway, no, it's going to be really cool. I can really vision it now. So exciting things happening today in the renovation of my farmhouse. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.